Right, hi guys. We had a few technical problems, but we're back on air. I had to set up a whole new event. Uh, Compliments of Alison told me to stop when we've gone live, but never mind, these things happen. Welcome to Slam Session 25. And first to introduce himself is Sarah.
Hi, I'm Sarah Woods. I work at the International School of Amsterdam. I'm a GCI and a GCT.
It's funny, everybody has problems with that now. Right, and Trevor.
Hi guys, my name is Trevor Beck. I'm with, I'm here in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. I am a Google for Education certified trainer. I'm just going to say it out loud. It's a lot easier.
Yeah, and Alison. Alison?
Hi, my name is Alison Malika, and I am at EdCamp Seacoast. So if you look behind me, you see we have people here that are watching the Demo Slam live in person.
Wow.
I am an educator, virtual instructor, and the Google certified I and T.
I and T, yeah.
Oh wait, no. And I passed my admin exam yesterday, so I've renewed my.
Congratulations! Round of applause, please. Yes, an admin now. Okay, my name's Lee. I'm here in Bangkok. I'm a Google certified innovator and a Google certified educator. Okay, and I think Trevor, you're keeping the time, yeah?
I have it. Yep.
Are you ready? Right. We're going to go straight into Sam. So let me screen share. Okay, so are you ready? You see my screen, yes? Oh, let me lock on before. Okay, and here we go. Yeah, okay, guys?
All right, and we start.
Okay, let me just change accounts. Okay, so what I'm going to show you today is an add-on. It's called Keywords, okay? So if you go to the add-ons, go to the menu, go to Get Add-ons, and type in Keywords, okay? So after that, it's set up and it's in your add-ons. So go to Keywords and it says Create Keyword List. So if you're a subject teacher and you've got lots of keywords that you want to teach your kids within the lessons or the coursework, so first of all, it says subject. So if I put Linux class, let's put year 8, okay, and then create keyword list. So if that comes up, so click, and then it starts to roll. Okay, and then what it will do is it says open in the spreadsheet. So open the spreadsheet, okay, and then in here what you would put is your keywords and description. So I'm just going to copy what I've got in here, these Linux keywords, okay, and paste it in. So look, come on. Okay. Ooh, paste and paste. No. Yeah. Okay. So I've got my keywords in there now. So then all I have to do now is I share this to my other account. Oh, come on, hurry up. Not much time left. Come on. Okay. Share. Come on, share. Work. Right. Share to my account. Okay, send, right, and yes. Okay, now if I switch accounts, okay, so then if this is student side, teacher would do that. In the student side, they need to go to, and get keywords, and then they would go to view keyword list. And then in the box here, oh, come on, work. It should come up. I don't know if it's, let me just run it again. Maybe there's a bit of a delay. Worked earlier. Oh. Keyword list. View. Oh, come on. Is it going to work? Oh,
30 seconds.
Oh, is it going to work? View keyword list. Oh, no. Okay, there it is. Oh, yes. Okay, Linux Year 8, and then you click it, he says. And then on the right here, it's running a bit slow. There you go. There's all your keywords, and you can push this out to every student. All you have to do is share it, and then they add the add-on, and then let's find the keywords list. Slam. Okay.
Oh, 2 seconds left. Nicely done.
Okay. Right. Next up is Sarah.
All right, let me just get my screen share on.
I can
Okay,
still time lead.
I'll keep time. 2 seconds, man. Okay, that's pretty good. So next up is Sarah. Oh, something in Classroom, is it? I can see. We can see.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
Are
I'm
you
ready.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go, Sarah.
Okay, I'm going to show you 2 things. The first thing is something I discovered this morning that's super exciting. So if you want to upload a photo, you can actually upload a GIF. So you can make a GIF from, you have to use a mobile device, but from Google Plus, from Google Photos, you can just create what's called an animation, and you just slam together a bunch of pictures, and it turns into a little GIF file, and then save that file, and then you can upload it to your classroom, and then while that's happening, oh man, I was going to show you something else. Okay, so then the other thing, while that's happening, because it takes a while, is if you want to get a list of your students from your classroom with their email, sometimes I need a list of students and I can't kind of get one easily. If you go into any assignment and then click this little gear and click on download assignment grades, you'll download a CSV file, and then you can go into a spreadsheet and pick import. And you have to do that because if you paste the commas, it's comma delimited. Go into import, and then you upload the file, which I just downloaded. And then just say comma delimited, and I don't want a new spreadsheet. I just want to replace my current sheet, and I click on import, and then that brings in the student's first name, last name, email address, and then if you don't need this stuff, no big deal, but then you get a nice list of all their email addresses. So going back to Classroom,
1 minute.
where we're just uploading that photo, it's almost done. It's really, really almost done. It's seriously thinking about being almost done. So this is a massive GIF of an IKEA hack I did yesterday where I turned a bunch of bookcases into a bed. So here we go. But you could do, say, pictures of the class. So then you get this box to decide the size, because obviously it's not the right size, but you could make it the right size. And then I do select class theme, and then it says changing. And then slam. Pretty cool, huh? Uh-oh, I can't hear you.
Oh, I'll say yes, it's very cool.
No, it's very cool.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. My screen share doesn't want to go off. Oh, there it is. Sorry.
That was a good slam.
That's the problem when you have your Hangout on the same window as whatever you're working on. You lose that tab, so you sit there, you go, isn't that cool? Give me some feedback. And they were all nodding, going, yeah, that's very cool, but we're forgetting you can't see what's going on.
No, I had my mic on. I did say cool, but I had my mic on mute. There you go.
I think everybody had them on mute because nothing happened, then you started talking, and then I could hear.
Okay, Trev, you ready?
Yeah, beat
yeah.
that.
Okay, go. No, go. Sorry.
Just
Screen
make sure I
share, when you're ready.
Is that showing up?
Yeah, got it, mate. Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, go.
Okay, so one of the things that's always been a challenge is trying to get files to a folder. And if you don't have a Google account, or someone you're working with doesn't have a Google account, trying to get a folder uploaded to or share a folder with them gets to be a problem. So I found this great script where you can actually have this interface that will upload files automatically into a specific Google folder. So I'm just going to demonstrate it first. Here I just put in the name, so I'm going to put it in Bobby. choose my file. And the beauty of this is it works with pretty much anyone can upload it. So you don't have to be logged in or anything. And it uploads the file. Just give it a sec. Now, of course, because it's uploading, if it's a large file, it's going to take longer. That's just the reality of it. And in my folder, here it is. There it's showing up. And what's really nice is if they haven't put their name in the file name, if you go and take a look into the attributes, uploaded by Bobby, whatever the name is. So I can always search for a file when someone says, oh, I uploaded a file, I put my name in there. I can always search by that if nothing else. So this is a script that Douglas Saunders had written. It's actually part of a Google Guru video, so there's more information there to find out if you want. The big thing is you go to tinyurl.com/Google Dropbox script. All big one word. When you get there, you're gonna see this piece here. This is the script. You need to go under File and make a copy of it. Give it a name. For every folder that's going to be an upload folder, you want to make a copy. So you have to have a separate script for every upload folder. And when it's done, you'll get a copy like this. Now the big thing to look at is this piece here. That is the name of the folder. It will automatically create the folder, so you just have to throw the name in there and it will do whatever it needs to do. And then you can also go in and play around a little bit with the HTML that's around the actual piece. So that's going to have, I've added this piece here. I added that button that drops down. And all you need to do is make your changes there. You're then going to publish this and deploy it as a web app. Pretty simple. And then you just have to make sure if anyone can access it, including anonymous. And once you update that, you have this URL here, which gives you the Dropbox, and that can be accessed by anybody. And that's my slam.
Wow. Okay. You had 30 seconds. Cool. Yeah, that's cool.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, all right.
You still had 30 seconds there, Trevor. You could have got another one in, but yeah, that was really cool. Okay. Next up, last but not least, is Alison with all the tech ed people.
Yes, and my slam today is something that's very simple, but pay attention, folks, because I work with teachers and schools all over the place, and I cannot tell you how many people do not have their conversion settings set properly, and I'll look at their drive, and it's chock full of Word docs.
Okay,
so
you ready?
My slam is ready to go. I know, you wanted to start timing me, I know.
No.
Yeah. You want to make sure I don't go over my 2 minutes. I know.
3.
All right. So my slam. I'm going to start screen share, and then you can start the clock.
Yeah, that's fine.
All right. All right. Ready? Go.
Okay.
So what I'm referring to is Google Drive is only good for you if you use Google Docs. You do not want a drive full of Word docs and PowerPoints. Sorry, Microsoft. So if you click on New and you choose File Upload and you go to a folder that has a Microsoft doc in it and you click on Open to upload it, it will tell you that you're uploading the item and that it has been converted. Now here, I uploaded this item and it's in my Google Drive as a Google Doc because when I uploaded it, I converted it to a Google Doc. If you upload something and it doesn't turn into a Google Doc, you will see a bunch of W's like this, like you see here. They will be, instead of seeing the little square, you'll see a W, and that's not a good thing. You need to set your conversion settings by clicking on the gear in the top right-hand corner and going to Settings and make sure that Convert Uploads is checked. If you do not have this checked, check it now. If you are new to Google or you've been using it for a while and you're not sure, check. And tell your students, tell your teachers, tell your peeps that use Google, especially if they're newer to Google, to make sure this is checked. And that is my slam.
There's also an add-on to allow you to actually edit those Word docs and keep them in your drive. So if people are adamant that they really want to keep Word docs in their drive, they can do that. I've taught people about the reverse. because they refuse to use Google Drive because it only converts and they don't want to. So there's a little wiggle room there too. But you're totally right. Most people have no idea that it's even an option.
And I wish it was checked by default. When I first started using Google Apps, that was the default. And now I'm like, it really should be the default, because there's a lot of misunderstanding about Google Drive because they don't understand it once they've uploaded all those Word docs. So
Yeah,
they can also use OpenWith to convert them.
Yeah. I think the one the one you're talking about, Sarah, used to be Quick Office, didn't they? Because Google bought Quick Office, and it's still the same.
No, there's a Chrome extension. I saw it at a
it used to be Quick Office. Quick Office, but Google brought it 2 years ago.
No, there's a different one she's talking about. It's called Edit Office Files.
That's Quick Office.
Oh, I guess I see what you're saying.
Yeah. The icon, if you look at the icon, it's exactly the same.
It's the same one.
Yeah. They bought it 2 years ago, and
you can also, if you're syncing if you're doing Drive offline, you can put all your Word files there, and then access the folder in Google Drive, but from your computer, and then you can edit them on your computer, and they'll be edited on Drive. Believe me, I've got 100 different ways.
Like, so many people did not have their computer set. They're all like,
believe you.
Oh, we're so happy.
But you lose your collaboration. I mean, you can't do any collaboration when there's
no, it's stupid. It's stupid to keep Word documents. There's no question. Allison's totally right.
Well, yeah.
She's totally right.
I don't know if you saw that video that Swan put out the other week, the video with the guy who's playing around with 365 trying to do collaboration. He has a total mare. It's quite funny. Have you seen it?
No.
I'll send it on. Yeah, look, just go on to Swan and look at one of the videos that he's got. It's called 365, and he's doing a screen share, and he goes through the collaboration thing, and they still haven't got it right. So there you go.
Yeah, I spent 10 minutes looking at it and just went, oh, that's gross.
Yeah.
We're spoiled.
Okay, I'm going to stop the broadcast. Guys, you know where the voting form is. Please vote. 48
vote for
hours.
me!
Yeah,
cool gifts in your classroom!
Yeah, vote for Sarah. She's never won, I don't think. Has she won? I don't know. I'm not sure. I haven't won that many times either. No, not yet. So she needs the vote. She needs the love. So please vote. We'll leave it open 48 hours. I'm sure someone will remind me to count the votes as usual. Okay, have a good day wherever you are.